Hello everyone, got a video here on a Polaris 450 Sportsman tire. Guy had it and he is riding it on a track and ended up de-rimmed it. It got full of water. I broke it down already and cleaned the water out of it so I could speed this video up. But I'm going to show you how to remove the tire off the rim and put it back on. And here we go. Sorry about the camera work here maybe. I'm trying to do it by myself here. I got a tripod, so it kind of makes it a little hard on me to do them myself. But work with me here. And here's the tire. You can see the guy got it muddy a little bit. It ain't too bad. Oh, I've seen a lot worse. And it's a four-wheeler. They're made to get dirty. What you'll want to do is remove the valve cap. And you'll want to take a valve stem core remover and remove the core out of it, which is right here in the valve stem. Be careful when you're taking these out, they can fly out and you could lose them, maybe even get hit in the eye. So just be careful when removing them if there's air in them. Once you got that removed, if you have a tire changer, this one's from Harbor Freight. They work really good for these. And they're not too bad on vehicle tires also. This side should be pretty well loose to it. Didn't pop back up on the rim real good. But I guess it's on there better than I thought. Sometimes they can be stubborn and you just gotta work with them. But they will come loose. And it helps too if you spray some soapy water around them. So once you get it to that point, we'll wanna, you can take tire tools like this, and I got some other ones here. Or like this here one. Works really good on them. You can get them off eBay in sets of 3. We're gonna cheat here. We're gonna do it up here on this tire changer. I'll try to get a good view of it. On this hair, you just remove this hair off of it. And you got this that goes over the center. This is actually made for car tires. They do have a smaller version for lawnmower tires and four-wheelers and that. Once you get it on there, kind of center it. This one I put it through the spoke hole like. Put that down on there. And tighten it up some. I usually take one of these here and tighten it like that. And these here tire changers comes with this here tool. Has that there in. I hardly use this part. This here works really good on removing them. which is what it's made for. The other ends to put them back on. What you'll want to do is push down on the back of the tire. Get that started in behind the tire, the top of it. Push down in the front of it. And there's a groove around the rim here that's smaller than the rest of it. That's where you want the front of the tire to be. Sometimes when trying to take these off, it'll want to go back on the rim as you're going. So just take a tire tool or a screwdriver or something and hold it there. And you'll want to kind of do the same thing for the bottom of it. Once you get it in there, pull it up towards the top. And just work it around like that. After you get these off, you'll want to take and wipe around them and make sure there's no dirt or debris on it. And do the same thing around on the rims here. Because if you have dirt or anything stuck to it, it can cause it to leak. And I always keep a bottle with some water and soap in it. That way I can spray the tire. Makes it go on a lot easier. Once you get it down there, you can kind of work with it and push it on. And that one went really easy. The water and soap helps a lot on these here. And plus it's good to check for leaks too when you're done. And when you're putting it back on, you'll want to get this down around the smaller part of the rim. Sometimes you'll have to use the tools to put them on. Sometimes you can just push on them. About that, had a phone call. Once you get to that point, you can go ahead and put the valve stem core back in. Sometimes you may have to leave them out, that way the air will go in faster. For it to pop it up onto the rim. And also you want to make sure the tread's going the right way to match up with the other tires. Once you get that in there, I'd recommend going back around it, spraying a little more water on it. It'll just help it pop up on there better and sew better. Go ahead and start putting air in it. It'll make that pop noise when it pops up on the rim there. This tire only takes like 7 pounds of pressure, so when you're doing yours, you may have to put a little more than 7 pounds or whatever it calls for to get it to pop up on the rim. But and after you do, take and adjust the pressure on it. But that's all there is to changing a tire on a Polaris four-wheeler, and it's the same thing on all four-wheelers. Riding mowers, even on car tires and that, it's all pretty much basically the same deal. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, like my videos, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.